The PostX plugin allows users to dynamically change the color of the post categories. Here's how to do it. First, you need to toggle the category add-on to the on state. Otherwise, you will not be able to change the category color. Then, you need to go to the page where you want to change the category color. You can choose to change the category color of an existing ready block or start from scratch. You can change the color from the category tab under the block settings. Here, you will need to turn on the specific color toggle. Once the specific color toggle is on, you will find the option to change the category specific color. Click on it and it will take you to the WordPress category settings. Here, you can change the colors for different categories. Note that you can choose to show only the category colors by using the Only Category Color toggle. That's all. We have more tutorial videos in store for you. Make sure to check them out.